Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I will give you step-by-step guide on how you can host your repository on the GitHub Pages. So our final goal will be to host a web page like this. So this is my username, zeddevelopers.github.io, and on this link, I have just published this page. So on the footer it says that published with GitHub. So it is really very simple, just a few steps. Also, I have made a video on how you can host your websites, or you can host your web apps on the Firebase hosting. So you can just click on the video you are seeing on your screen to learn that as well. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to make a repository. Click on new. So you must have a GitHub account. If you don't have an account, you first need to create a GitHub account, and then create a new repository from here. So you need to write the name of the repository, uh, but make sure you write your username, ZedDevelopers. This is my username, and you must use your own username for that. So this is the rule for setting up the GitHub pages. Zed Developers dot, and then you need to write github.io. So zdevelopers.github.io. Okay, all good. And then down below, click on this public, create repository. Okay, done. So, and then click on this settings, and then click on pages. Now we need to choose our theme. So click on choose a theme. So there are so many themes which you can just use to display your project or display your website or anything you like. So for now I am using this theme. So select theme. Okay, so and then go down below and then click on this commit changes. So what it does is that if I go back to my repository, just to give you an idea what is the what just happened right now. So on our repository we have two pages. The first thing is the config.yml, and the other file is index.md. So whatever is inside this folder, inside this file, will be displayed on this URL, right? So if I open this file, you can just delete everything from here. Click on this edit button. So you can just delete everything from here, or you can write your own content here. Just publish your changes and your website will be live. All right, so if I go back, also you can do changes from your machine. If you are using GitHub from terminal or GitHub desktop, you can change the file from your laptop or computer as well. So to make it simple, I am changing it from my browser. So we have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes before our website gets live. Okay, so it just took like 2 minutes and my website is live on this URL, the same URL which we made here, zdevelopers.github.io. Here you see that zdevelopers.github.io, and on this website, this is the default theme. You can just edit this theme by going on this file, and you can just update this file, and the changes will be live in like 1 to 2 minutes, or maybe it can take up to 5 minutes. So I hope you liked my video, and if you learned anything new in my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Also check out how I uploaded the web page on the Firebase hosting. So that video is also very simple and well explained. I hope you like that video as well. Thank you for watching my video.